Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use DALL-E to image generator. Now it's a very easy process, so firstly what you have to do is just simply search for DALL-E 2, then click on the first link. Now if you already have an account in ChatGPT, so it's going to be a very easy login. So all you have to do is click on login, then just simply choose the platform that you want. So in this case, it's going to be DALL-E. Now in any case, if you don't have an account in ChatGPT, you can just simply click on get started and the registration process is very simple. Now, once you're in the main dashboard of DALL-E 2, as you can see right over here, you'll find few options. The first option is a search bar where you can type in to get results. So let's do a quick example. Let's say, so a cat sitting on a toilet reading newspaper, realistic image. Now just simply click on generate. Now it will take some time, so be patient for the generation to be complete. Now after the generation is complete, you will see that your results will be over here in 4 columns. Now if there is a result that you like, you can just simply click on that particular result and download that image directly from there. Just click on the download option and the image will be downloaded just like that. You can just simply save to a location and the image will be downloaded. And you will also have multiple options like edit. So if you want to edit the image, so we will come to this option later. Then you will have variations to get variations of this particular image. Let me show you. Click on variations. Now it will use the exact image as a base image to create multiple images which will look similar to the image that we choose. So this was the original image and these are the images that DALL-E 2 came up as variations. So as you can see right over here. Now if you want to share an image, you can also use this option to share it directly. So click on publish, then you can copy the link and give this link to anyone so they can see your image directly, just like that. So now let me show you other options. Now if you go back to the home screen, you'll find that you will have multiple images already pre-generated over here. Now let's say if you like some images over here, you like this particular image, you can click on that image and you can click on try this example. Now again, it will try to recreate the exact design using the base image. As you can see right over here, it used the exact image design and the prompts that we used to make the original image and came up with some images on its own. As you can see, the most realistic one is this one. Click on that image and now you can create variations of that image as well. You can edit it, share it, it's totally up to you. So as you can see right over here, this is how the variations of the image will look like. Now let me show you a few more options. Now there is an option called surprise me. So it will just simply come up with any prompt that you can use on DALL-E 2 and it will give you an output of that particular prompt. So as you can see right over here, it gave us a simple prompt using surprise me option. Now let me show you another way that you can use DALL-E 2 for. So go to the home screen. Now over here you can upload an image as well. So click on that option. Now upload the image over here. So click on continue. Now as you can see right over here, after the image is uploaded, then if you want to crop it, just simply crop it or click on skip cropping. Now, when you have the image, you will have multiple options. So the first option is just simply click on the check marks. Now, you will again have an AI bar over here, which you can use. So let's say, for example, let's simply type in, put this man in space, then click on generate. Now wait for the outcome. So as you can see right over here, this is the type of results that it came up with. Now you can also try the eraser tool in this option as well. So click on the eraser tool. Now let's say you want to erase his hair and get a new hairstyle. You can also try that. So first you decrease the size of the eraser. Now just simply remove the hair gently. Now ask DALL-E to give him a new hairstyle. Then click on generate. Now wait for the outcome. So as you can see right over here, this is the outcome of that result. This is what it can do. Now you can also try a different type of option which is called generation fill. Let me show you. So for that, just simply go back and upload a new image. So this is the type of image that I'm going to use for this example. Now click on crop, then click on edit image. Now as you can see, this is the image. The tool that we are going to use is called add generation frame. So now this is the main image. Now we're going to add extra image that will be very similar to the original image over here. And it will also be generated with AI. So just simply select the area. Now over here, just simply type some keywords that will give the exact result over here and that will look similar to this image over here. So as you can see right over here, I gave some keywords. Now click on generate and now wait for it to generate the result. So as you can see right over here, it came up with the result which is absolutely identical and no one can tell it is a different picture. You can also get multiple variations of that image as you can see right over here. So the most realistic is the first one, the second one and the fourth one. So I'm going to go with the second one over here. So click on accept. Now remove the box at this side and try the exact thing again. You can use the exact prompt over here as well. Click on generate. Now wait for it. As you can see right over here, this is the result it came up with. Now you can again see the variations. So in my opinion, this is the most realistic one. So click on accept. Now, if you remember, this was the original image and these two are the images that we generated using AI. So as you can see right over here, how much powerful this AI is. Now let me show you a final option. So for that, go back. Now click on upload an image. Then upload your image over here. Click on crop. Now click on generate variations. Now wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, it will give you variations of your very own image. So these are all the features in DALL-E 2. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.